Welcome to a Ratchet and Clank gameplay. This is part 2 of my Let's Play. And last video I was playing as Ratchet. Now I am playing as the little robot Clank, which is going to be Ratchet's partner in this game. I hope you guys like the last Ratchet and Clank video. I'm gonna do the third series, so hope you guys like that. Oh, it died. Run, run, little Clank. Hey, I'm not useless. This is what I always fail on, like those missile things. No. Just calm down, little guy. Or big guy, or whatever. Go down here. Okay. Do the puzzle. Get the crate down. Run over here and hit the button. I got the bridge to extend. Throw him right here. Jump up. Get the bolts. Run over here. Blow this up and jump down. Oh, he's back. Yes, I can run from you. In the last video I did not mention this. I like the graphics in this one better than the other ones. Because they improved a lot. Stop calling me miserable. I am a tiny robot, but that does not stop from being this little